So this is a space gray. Before I have the silver one. Yeah, space gray I think it look much better. Yeah, thank you. So this is my cost. I think I got a good price, to be honest with you. So it's much better going to like Mongkok. Many people there's very cable and charges. Okay, thank you. So do you know when the new MacBook will come? Because I'm holding for a new MacBook. Don't
No schedule.
any idea when to refresh? Because I have my old MacBook Air now very slow.
I'm not really
Not okay.
on this schedule.
So I will think maybe I need to buy that one also.
Yep.
Yeah.
This one is 2020. The MacBook.
2020, the new one.
Yeah, the latest one already.
Okay. Because my older one, a MacBook Air, overheat a lot.
Right?
Overheating. The CPU overheat.
Oh, overhead.
Yes.
Overheating.
Yeah.
So you have to buy a new one, right?
Yeah, I think I need to buy a new one. Okay. So finally here's the iPad Pro 2020. So it looked quite nice, to be honest with you. Yeah. So I'm very happy with my purchase. So make sure to subscribe and buy. It's quite nice.
إلهي لست للفردوس أعلى ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي